Hey, welcome to 1 Minute Excel. Tonight we're going to look at a subtotal function, and we'll look at a couple of the functions that are available within the subtotal, particularly the average and sum functionalities. Subtotal formula has two parts. One, you're going to select the function out of a list that it'll prompt you, and two, you're going to select the desired reference, which is just the range that we'll select. So firstly, let's just do a traditional sum and average formula on the given net income statement detail above. So if we say equals sum, and we're going to select this range here for revenue, I'm going to hit F4 twice just to lock the rows, and then I'm going to copy it across for the other columns, and you can see there's the sum. So revenue in this case is 3 million. There it is, 3 million. Let's go ahead and do the traditional average formula, similar kind of thing. Average, select your range or your two numbers. In this case, we want the entire range. Hit F4 twice, that'll lock it, and copy it over. So that's just a sum and an average. And the beauty of a subtotal is you can do the exact same thing within that same option. So we're going to say subtotal, comma, and in this case we're going to do 9 for sum. You saw it on the list there. Select the range, hit F4 twice, and we'll just copy that over. And you can see it's identical to the sum formula, which is what we expected. And then similarly we can do an average. In this case it's number 1. You see it prompts you there. Select the same range here, go ahead and hit F4 twice to lock it, and copy it over. Here's the difference between a sum and a subtotal. Let's just say we didn't want to look at the entire data set, we just want to look at Q1. Once we do that, you can see the subtotal adjusts for the new filtered totals, whereas the sum doesn't. And that's a huge advantage of the subtotal formula. And that is a summary of subtotal using the average and sum.